Fully automatic shaft straightening machine thermometer shaft. Accuracy within 0 or 1 mm. Automatic feeding system loads the motor shaft into the straightening machine with high efficiency. After loading, the intelligent straightening system automatically detects shaft deformation and calculates the correction position. Straightening unit precisely corrects the bending point to restore shaft straightness. After straightening, the finished shaft is automatically unloaded, improving production efficiency and reducing manual operation. The final inspection shows the shaft straightness accuracy reaches 0.01 mm.